All right, welcome back to Modern Method for Guitar, the tutorial and playthrough. We're working on exercise 7 and 8 today. This is the note and chord review. Presumably you've gone through the book so far and followed all of those guidelines of counting, knowing your notes before you play, and all that kind of stuff. Oh, so exercise 7 is a little bit of a mixture of some of those notes and then some of those other chords, but it's gone so far to include the notes above that C octave on strings 1 and 2, and then going all the way down to string 5. Okay, so that's exercise 7. It's a bunch of stuff. Exercise 8, okay, this thing's a little bit different, and we got the shape of things to come, so to speak. With exercise 8, you're going to notice in the first two measures that you're playing a lot of these C, E, G, E, G, C. More on that later. But what you want to try to do as you form some of these chords, just sort of shadowing as you go through, you're going to notice that you're going to use some of the same fingers for each chord. And this is going to sort of outline a C major chord. And in the second, measures 3 and 4, you're going to see the beginning of an F chord. And then measures 5 and 6 are going to be kind of a G7 chord, although that moves around a little bit finally before you get down to the last 3 chords in the last 2 measures. So you're going to get some of these chords that you might have seen before if you're new to playing and maybe just new to reading. But hang on, there's a lot of stuff coming real quick, and so it's best to just take your time, go slowly, really work out the left hand things of where your left hand is going to go to start. So let's get going on exercise 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, for exercise 8, you probably want to watch what my left hand is doing. I'll put an inset as best I can get it lit, so that you can see how I'm going to approach playing these chords as we go along. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it, exercise 7 and 8. That's enough for this week. Keep reading, keep working, keep counting. See you next time.